Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the RECORD KM it's a 4000RODDORC. This is a bifolding DD overhead rebuilt motor transmission box. And this video is really just to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. It's about 24.5 pounds. And these are definitely handed. There's that micro switch up on top. We'll tell the controller what position the door's in. For bifolding doors, you don't see bifolding doors too often, but you do bump into them. There is a major retailer of a major pharmacy retailer that uses bifold doors. I've spoken to someone who trains people in ADAM certification about bifold doors. They're apparently falling out of favor, but nonetheless, they are certainly still out there. And this is what that item looks like. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the RECORD KM products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If there are any questions on the RECORD KM 4000RODDORC bifold overhead motor gearbox or any other RECORD KM product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.